Welcome to Has Academy channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a set of simple affirmations that can help you feel strong and confident. Choose a quiet place and sit with your headphones on and listen to these affirmations and keep repeating them inside yourself. I am strong. Yes, I am strong. I am compassionate. I am compassionate. I am confident. I am confident. I am great. I am really great. I am energetic. I am energetic. I am healthy. I am totally healthy. I am blessed. I am blessed. I am happy and successful. I am happy and successful. I am amazing. I am truly amazing. Every day, in every way, I attract more and more of positivity into my life. You can slowly now open your eyes and come back to your consciousness. Wishing you happiness and success today.
I hope today's video will help you ignite your day today. And please remember to share your experiences in the comment box below and also subscribe to our channel so that you are getting regular updates from us.